What's up, my fellow cryptopreneurs? I hope all is well in the land of crypto for you today. We've got some bullish little wicks here on the bottom of this dump. The problem is it's outside the channel. It's below the channel. Now, I've got this cluttered up with these little spider web looking things. That's on a 5-minute chart. We're going to go down there. There's a big thing going on down there right now that's probably going to decide the fate of Bitcoin over the next couple of days. If you look through my spider webs there, we've got this. This is a nice bullish looking wick here, but this little one here with the long wick and the little body is a bullish indicator. The problem with that is it's sitting underneath this channel. So I don't know if I trust that as being a reversal or not. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart and see what's going on down there. For those of you new to my channel, this is my little kaleidoscope analysis of Bitcoin. All these little patterns on a 5-minute chart are very telling. I'm going to try to make this a quick little video and see if I can get it published before this breakout happens. What we've got, folks, my last video, I was talking about this triangle here. It busted out the bottom. It turned out to be a fakey fake. I was too busy making the video, and there was actually this little bullish channel going through that triangle that I didn't notice while I was making the video. So let's make this one short, get it out quick today. It wicked down at the bottom. Long story short, folks, it broke back up through the top of that channel. Triangle. I have a short order in. The stop loss I have up here is above in this channel, up in this area. I don't think it's going to go that high. It could. If Bitcoin were to reclaim this channel, then it could go up to higher highs, maybe test 25,000 again. I think that's unlikely from what I've seen. It is underneath that channel. This big blue channel up here on the top is the channel you saw on my daily chart where I started the video. This should be harsh resistance. Now, it could, if money comes in, it could get up back in there, and then that's a different story. But the traditional markets will be opening tomorrow in about 24 hours, about 20 hours from now, by the time I get this published. And they're probably turning red. So that'll be interesting. A lot of this might depend on tomorrow. If the traditional markets turn red hard, then Bitcoin's going to come down, right? And where Bitcoin's at right now, this should be hard resistance. This white line, horizontal, is the top range it was in. It fell out of that range. It has also fallen out of the channel. This, folks, is a bearish. Now, when these patterns happen, they're bullish. Sometimes I misspeak. So if you hear me misspeak and you don't understand something, if I contradict myself, just let it go. Just move on to the next thing, because I may have just been misspeaking. So sometimes I'll say this is bearish, this is bullish, but it's bullish while it happens. But it's this parallel channel ascending is bullish while it happens, but it's a bearish pattern because they tend to break down, right? So that's what I'm expecting. This could be a really good trade for a short. It just came up and tested the bottom of that channel twice here, actually touched it here at 23,327. So I don't have any dry powder. If I had dry powder right now, what I would do is I would put in a short, and I'd put my stop loss up here a little bit up into this channel. And if it's a loser, it's a loser. The profit to the downside is pretty huge compared to the small risk if you get stop lossed out up here. If you don't know how to use a stop loss order, then please don't really do anything. But there it is, folks. That right there is kind of what I've been looking for. I wish I had dry powder. This is probably going to break down, given that it's happening here at harsh resistance. Should be harsh resistance. Bearish ascending channel. It's got a nice steep incline to it. So it could be 5 minutes from now. It could be an hour from now, 2 hours from now. It's going to be pretty soon. So let's end this video. The name of the channel, folks, is Bitcoin Street. I sure do hope you'll like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Let me get some traction on the YouTube algorithm. I do believe I can get this out to a lot of people and probably help out a lot of people. Good sound analysis. Sometimes my trades won't be perfect, but there it is. As always, thanks for watching.